Here I've got OnePlus Nord, and let me show you how to change the navigation bar from the button navigation bar to gesture navigation bar. So as you can see, currently you are set up with Recent button, Home button, and also Back button. But if you would like to change it to gesture navigation bar, just open the settings, go to buttons and gestures, and here click on navigation bar and gestures. So if you would like to have navigation gestures, just tap here, and you will have to use gestures to replace navigation bar, and to go back you have to slide from left to right or from right to left. Then over here you've got the tutorial on how to use the res gestures, so you just have to swipe up to go back to home button and swipe up and hold it for a while to go back to recent. So as you can see here, you've got it all. Then going to home is just like this, and then recent items, you just have to hold it for a while. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.